Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So today I tried to study as much, like I did not push myself that much, but yeah, I managed to complete some things. And right now, before starting for tomorrow's targets, I will show you how much I have completed for, yeah, like today. Okay. So today I tried to attempt the prelims mock test, of which shares I also scored. Then there is editorial reading which I completed. Then I did not even touch January current affairs, but I will try to complete them in the night if I can. Then I started computer lessons, and then I solved some questions, like 4 to 5 questions of mains reasoning, but not quant and not English. So I will try to complete that also, and then nothing much. And this is my to-do list for 4 March. As you can see, I did not used to like after 4 March I made this for 11th of March, and this is pretty huge gap. So that is why I started doing procrastination a lot, but right now I think it's time to start this thing again. And as you can see, I have nothing completed on 3rd of March, so I'm gonna share tomorrow's to-do list. So this is for my tomorrow's to-do list, 12th of March 2022. For prelims mock test, my target is 98 plus. And do not get feared, this is not marks, this is percentile. Okay. Today my percentile was not that much good, like it was around 95 I think. But I am targeting 98 plus, and I will try to work on my accuracy. My speed is not a problem, but accuracy is. I am making some mistakes in the questions, and that's why the percentile is less. Then there is editorial reading which I do, then revising computer notes. So I have started making notes of computer, and tomorrow I will revise the notes of 2 lessons which I have made, and then I will move to next computer class. Okay. And for this I am using Aroda Educators batch. There is this batch on the app, so I am using that. Then there is revising silog and inequality basics. So I am making mistakes as these chapters in reasoning, but right now, like till now I have not worked on these things, but from tomorrow I will try to work on these things. And for this I will solve 2 PDFs of Guidely's bundle PDF course which is there. I will just solve 2 PDFs, and it will be good because in those PDFs I will revise all my basics, and if I have a problem, then I will see from the video solution. Okay. So if you want to purchase the Guidely PDF course, it is best because for your doubts they are providing video solutions which I find great. And if you want to purchase, then the link will be given in the description, and by using my code you will get 12% discount also. Then there is mains mock test. So today I just solved reasoning questions, but not quant and English. But tomorrow I will try to attempt, like, complete this mains mock test. Okay, like all the questions of English and quant I will try. I can't say that I can complete, but I will try my best. Then there is January current affairs, which I have not started till now, but I will surely start from tomorrow from the pocket PDF of AffairsCloud. Okay. So I will just cover AffairsCloud and nothing more, and I will just try reading economics time and nothing that much, because current affairs is unpredictable. But yeah, we have to put our efforts, and that is all. Like, there is my one main target, which is manage my time wisely, because today also I wasted my 2 to 3 hours in watching some series, but I have to manage my time. But it will come slowly. I cannot make big changes at like all of a sudden, but yeah, I will try to manage my time tomorrow like I used to do before. So that is all. And this target is also there, exercise and meditation, which I could not complete today. So I will try to complete all the things, and I will try to spend my day like a good aspirant. So that is all, and I wish you all will study well too, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.